Welcome back. Problem 12 of section 3.9. Notice this is the last problem in this section on web work, okay, for us. So the question is, let S of t denote the position of a particle at time t. V and A be the velocity and acceleration respectively. Now, we are given the acceleration. We are given S at 0 is 8, S at 2 is 7. Then we are asked to find the function describing position. So we are asked to find S of t. So notice you are given S at 0 and 2. All right. We are not given anything more. So let's see. But this is sufficient information, of course. A of t is 10 plus 3t minus 3t squared. S of 0 is 8. S of 2 is 7. Question is, what is S of t? Now, A is derivative of V. So V is the antiderivative of A. So take antiderivative. V is tan t plus increase the power t squared over 2 with a 3 from before minus 3 times increase the power by 1 and divide by the new power plus a constant. I hope this is clear, guys. 10 is a constant, so its antiderivative is 10t. Everywhere else, we are just increasing the power by 1 and dividing by the new power. So this is your velocity. Simplify. 3 over 2 cannot be simplified, but 3 over 3 can be simplified, okay? Which we did. Now, question is to find position. So V of t is S prime. V is derivative of S. So S is the antiderivative of V. So starting from here, you need to start taking antiderivative. So this is V, antiderivative is S. Increase the power of t by 1, that is t squared over 2, divide by the new power. 10 is just multiplied, it stays put. 3 over 2, stay put. And t squared, increase the power by 1 and divide by the new power, okay, minus t cubed, increase the power by 1 and divide by the new power, plus c of t plus a new constant. Every time we take an antiderivative, we bring in a new constant. All right, now simplify. 2 goes in 10 5 times. This 3 cancel, so all you have is 2 in the bottom. No cancellation, nothing. Now, we have two pieces of information. S at 0 is 8. That's a good one to use because time is 0, right? S at 0 is 8 means when t is 0, the result is 8. So, plug in t equals 0, t equals 0, t equals 0, and t equals 0. So all of these become 0. I'm left with D. D is 8. Okay. So getting that, I now have S of t is all of this except D becomes 8. Okay. We are not finished because we still have an unknown constant C. For that, you have this new information. S at 2 is 7. That is, when I plug in t equals 2, the result is 7. So I'll write the result below and replace all the t's by 2. You see? Okay. So simplify. 2 to the power 2 is 4. 2 to the power 3 is 8. 2 to the power 4 is 16. Okay. So 5 times 4, 20. 8 over 2, 4. 16 over 4, 4. 2c, 8. Aha, that's good. Plus 4 minus 4 cancel. You have a 20 and you have an 8. So that's 28. 7 equals 28 plus 2c. 7, bring the 28 to the other side. So negative 21 is 2c. Divide both sides by 2. I want to solve for c, right? So that go away. You have negative 21 over 2 is c. In other words, S of t is all of this except where you see C, you would write negative 21 over 7. All right. So let's type this in. How would I type it in? 5 t to the power 2 plus t to the power 3 over 2 minus t to the power 4 over 4 minus 21t over 2 plus 8. Okay, let's see. It's correct. Okay, so this completes all the problems from section 3.9. Next videos will start on chapter 4. Okay, until then, bye for now.